2024 Toyota Grand Highlander. With less than 42,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!